Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to easily delete those unwanted tagged photos with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on Settings. After that, scroll down to find the Activity Log option and tap on it. Next, click on the section titled Activity You're Tagged In. From there, choose the Photos You're Tagged In section. You will now see all the photos in which you're tagged. If you only want to remove specific photos, you can click on each photo individually to delete it. However, if you want to remove all tagged photos at once, simply select the Select All box located at the top left corner. Now tap on Remove Tags and confirm by clicking on Remove.